Have you ever wondered how to make money online easily as a beginner? In 2024, there are countless ways to earn a living from the comfort of your own home. This video aims to demystify the world of online money making, breaking it down into simple, manageable steps that anyone can follow. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, the internet opens up a world of opportunities. So get ready to embark on this exciting journey to financial independence. Number 10. Social media management and influencer marketing. Consider providing your skills as a social media manager or cooperating with brands on influencer marketing campaigns if you have a strong social media presence. Your reach and engagement can lead to financial opportunities. Number 9. Podcasting and online radio. Podcasting has grown in popularity, creating opportunities for monetization through sponsorships, advertising, and listener donations. Platforms such as Anchor and Patreon make it easier to start and monetize a podcast. Number 8. App and software development. Creating and selling programs or software can be a lucrative business for individuals with programming expertise. Platforms such as the Apple App Store, Google Play Store, and GitHub allow you to promote and monetize your work. Number 7. Virtual assistants and online services. Offering virtual assistant services such as administrative assistance, social media management, or customer service can be a profitable online business. Virtual assistants and clients are connected through websites such as virtual assistant forums and Upwork. Number 6. Online surveys and paid reviews. A simple method to start with is participating in online surveys and writing paid reviews. These are platforms where companies seek consumer opinions on their products or services, and they're willing to pay for it. How do they work? Well, once you sign up and create a profile, you'll be matched with surveys or review tasks that align with your interests and demographics. There are numerous reputable platforms out there like Swagbucks, Vindale Research, or Trustpilot. But remember, be wary of scams. If a site asks for upfront payment or seems too good to be true, it probably is. With little to no experience required, online surveys and paid reviews can be a great starting point. Number 5. Online courses and ebooks. Consider developing and selling online courses or ebooks if you have experience in a specific sector. Platforms such as Udemy, Teachable, and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing help you access a global audience. Number 4. E-commerce and dropshipping. Setting up an e-commerce site or getting into dropshipping allows you to sell things online without having to keep inventory on hand. Platforms such as Shopify and WooCommerce make it simple to set up your own online business and begin earning money. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing entails advertising products or services and receiving a commission on each sale generated by your referral. You can produce a consistent source of cash by effectively adding affiliate links into your work. Number 2. Freelancing and online marketplaces. Another method to consider is offering your services on freelancing platforms. Now let's delve into what freelancing is all about. Essentially, it's the concept of selling your skills or services to clients on a project-to-project basis, rather than being tied to a single employer. You're your own boss, setting your own hours and choosing the projects you want to work on. There are numerous online marketplaces where you can offer your services, with some of the most popular being Upwork and Fiverr. Upwork is great for a broad range of professional services, while Fiverr is fantastic for creative gigs. However, they're not the only players in the game. Number 1. Blogging and content creation. Creating a blog, YouTube channel, or TikTok account focusing on a niche you're interested in might be a profitable undertaking. You may attract a loyal audience by creating high-quality content and strategically using keywords. Affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and ad income are all avenues for monetization. And there you have it, the easiest way to make money online for beginners in 2024. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, so stay consistent and stay true to your passion. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy hustling!